All right, today we're gonna address this mold issue in this Mark IV Jetta. All right, so we're gonna get this mold out of the car today, or at least try. I ordered this stuff on Amazon. It was like $50 for whatever size bottle this is. So I'm hoping it works. It's a fungicide and a mold and stain remover. So these are off Amazon. Let me read the directions. So it's looking like we're just gonna spray it on and use a wet sponge to remove. So yeah, we're gonna get into that. I don't know if it's good or bad, but this is the first time I ever had to buy a respirator to just clean a car. So that tells you how bad this is. All right, now we're ready to go. So we got the whole thing soaked down with the disinfectant or moldicide or whatever, and I'm kind of mad I spent $50 on it because it just smells like bleach, so I'm pretty sure I'm just spraying bleach all over it. But it's coming off. I mean, I didn't really like wipe it yet. Kind of like leaking all over the floors. But yeah, I'm gonna throw my respirator back on and get back in there and start wiping it all out, and yeah, then we'll catch you at the end. All right, so the Amazon Sporicide did a pretty good job cleaning it up. Now I gotta keep it dry in here. Hopefully it doesn't come back. Looks pretty good. I think it came out pretty good. But yeah, we'll do a whole nother video on like a full detail of it. I'll probably polish it because I'll probably wind up selling it. So that's getting rid of the mold in my Jetta with whatever Amazon stuff sells. I could put a link in the description. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one. Maybe it wasn't bleach. I don't know. I got nothing on. Fuck.